Surealong introduce. In high-precision metal fabrication industry, we put precision and professional products in our work. We cover a wide range of technologies, including robotic stamping, auto tooling punching, welding, laser cutting, CNC bending, turning and milling, power coating. We provide to our customer end-to-end solution from a design concept to completed products. We strive to provide our customers with high level of communication and business partnership, carefully selected, and engineers fulfills each project with responsibility and dedication. Quality assurance system is our strategic action when the company is founded. About the packaging, we stand the customer station for this protect the product's package. Long strategy cooperation with Surealong after visited our company. We communicate with customers face-to-face in the exhibition. Customized products, home and garden products, building hardware.